Hi, welcome to Kiosk Force YouTube channel. To improve the previous daily and weekly reports in the PPE vending system, we have developed advanced reporting, also known as scheduled reports. With this function, you can design and create your daily, weekly, or monthly reports according to your specific needs. Key features include advanced reporting allows you to easily get the exact information you require without having to sort through unnecessary data every time. And you can insert any tables and charts in the report to meet your needs. You can specify the report recipients by entering their individual email addresses. This ensures that the latest information is always sent to the responsible personnel of vending operation. Rather than manually generating and sending the reports, scheduled reports allows you to automate the generation and sending of reports on a schedule that works best for you and your business. Now let's walk through how to run an advanced report. The first step is to create your own report template. To get the basic report template, go to the Scheduled Reports page and click Manage Report Templates. On the Templates page, click Download Report Template. Then open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel. Please remember that Microsoft Excel is the only tool you can use to modify and save the report template. There are two example pivot tables. You can modify or delete them as needed. To create a new pivot table, select all the cells and click the Insert button. Arrange the table fields as needed. For example, we create an item consumption report. Drag item name to rows, UUID to values, and vending machine as a filter. Then the sheet will show the consumption of each item. You can click the filter icon to select the machine. You can click data to sort the number of items consumed in ascending or descending order. After creating the pivot table, it's important to go to the pivot table settings. Find the Refresh and Save section and tick the Refresh Data on File Open box. Otherwise, you will need to manually click the Refresh All button every time you download the report. In addition to the pivot table, you can also insert a chart to visualize the statistics. Finally, click File and download it as a copy to save this report template. Some admins may use the manufacturer code, supplier or supplier code to record the product's prices. In this case, to ensure Excel calculates prices and costs correctly, you will need to transform the format of these columns. First, create a mirror sheet of the transactions sheet. We can call it cost sheet. In the first cell, input equals to transactions A1 to synchronize the UUID from the transactions sheet, and drag this formula to the O column so that the first row of transactions sheet is successfully mirrored here. Next, check the number of entries in the transactions sheet, because the cost sheet should have more entries than the transactions sheet to accommodate any potential increase in actual records. Normally, for a monthly report, the records will be more than 1,000. So in such cases, you may have to go to row 2000 in the cost sheet and type something in the cell to mark the end. This step is to ensure that Excel will be able to paste the formula properly. Next, copy the first row and paste it into row 2000. Then select the entire table and paste the formula. Then all the data from transactions sheet will be displayed here. Now change the cell format. click L2, add a value formula, drag it to cell O2, and double-click on the bottom right corner. This will successfully transform all 4 columns. Then you can use this sheet to create pivot tables or some other charts. Also, do not forget to check the refresh data on file open box. After completing the new table settings, right-click on the cost sheet and hide it so that it will not appear in the report. Finally, click File and download it as a copy to save this report template. To upload the report template, go to the Scheduled Reports page, click Manage Report Templates, and click the New Template button. On the pop-up window, input the template name and upload the template file. Click Create to save. In the Operations column, you can click the Preview button to check whether the template can work properly. After you click it, the system will generate the transaction data for the last 7 days. Then, open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel to see if the data automatically updates to reflect the latest transactions or if it still shows the initial template data. Also, check if the pivot tables or charts are automatically refreshed with the new data. If not, please go back and modify the report template and ensure that all steps are followed correctly. After ensuring the template is working properly, go back to the Scheduled Reports page and click the New Report button. Input the report name, email subject, schedule. Please pay attention here. In the Schedule section, you should enter the time in the cron tab format, which is composed of 5 parts: minute, hour, month day, month, and weekday. On the cron tab website, you can get an explanation of each component. For example, if you expect the report to be sent out on the first day of every month at 10 a.m., you can input 0, 10, 1, star, star. Then proceed to enter the recipients, select the template, and choose the cutoff. There are several cutoff options. Last day means the report will include the transaction records of yesterday. 7 days means the report will include the transaction records of the last 7 days. Sunday week means the previous Sunday to Saturday. Monday week, the previous Monday to Sunday. Last 28 days or last calendar month. Then click Save. The report is supposed to run automatically. You can also click Run in the Operation column to manually run the report. This is the complete process of running an advanced report. Thanks for watching. Please follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, welcome to comment.